you for watching over me. All of the sleepless nights you lay awake. Thank you for knowing when to hold me close, when to let me go. Thank you for every stepping stone, and for the path that always leads me home. Thank you for the time you took to see the heart inside of me. You gave me the rules to start this life, and then you gave me wings to fly. And I learned to dream because you believed in me. There's no power like it on this earth, no treasure equal to its worth. The gift of a mother's love. Thank you for every sunlit day that fills the corners of my memory. Thank you for every selfless unsung deed I know you did for me. Thank you for giving me the choice to search my soul till I could find my voice. And I thank you for teaching me to be strong enough to bend. You gave me the roots to start this life, and then you gave me wings to fly. And I learned to dream because you believed in me. There's no power like it on this earth, no treasure equal to its worth. The gift of a mother's love.
Mother's Day, Ma. We miss you so much. Ingat ka dyan palagi. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Maraming salamat kasi nagtitiis ka lagi sa amin. At we miss you, Ma, and I love you, Ma. Happy Mother's Day ulit, Ma.
Hey, Ma. I love you. Thank you for all the efforts and love and sacrifices na ginawa mo sa amin. We miss you. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Mother's Day, Ma. Thank you sa lahat ng love and sacrifices. Onti na lang, Ma. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. And we love you, we miss you, uwi ka na po.
Happy Mother's Day. Ingat ka palagi dyan, ha. Always take care. I love you very, very much and I miss you. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma'am! I love you! God bless you!
Mother's Day, Nanay. I love you. I miss you so much.
Happy Mother's Day po, Nanay at Ate Angie.
Ate Angie daw.
Salamat po sa pag-aalaga, sa walang sawang pag-unawa, sa pagsuporta at sa pagmamahal. Ikaw ang pinaka-importanting babae para sa amin, Nanay
Thank you,
at Ate.
Nanay. God bless you. Stay happy
Sana
and
po
safe.
makita namin kayo soon. Kakasama tayo dyan.
Hello to all mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day, especially to my mother, Chris Angel. Thank you for your love and support throughout my journey, and you were my biggest inspiration. Take care always, and I love you.
Hello! Happy Mother's Day! Ang wish ko, sana lumakas ka pa, umaba pa ang buhay mo, at huwag kakalimutan inumin ng mga gamot, ang mga maintenance, At sana laging happy ka. So, salamat sa lahat ng pagmamahal over the years sa amin. So, Happy Mother's Day and advance happy birthday. Mwah, mwah.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you.
Hi Ma, Happy Mother's Day. No more drama na. I-chat ko na lang sa'yo yung message ko. So, I miss you. Ingat ka palagi. I love you Ma. Happy Mother's Day ulit.